Hey everyone, I'm just letting you guys know I still have electricity and heat, and I am extremely grateful for that. I've got my faucets running to make sure the pipes don't freeze, and so far I'm okay. I'm really hoping that y'all are as well, and I'm really hoping that the homeless that had nowhere to go are still okay. I am worried about them in all honesty, and like I said, I really hope they are okay. So, just hope everyone's being safe, and please pray for the homeless. It's a very hard time right now, and the temperatures are dangerous. Y'all have a great day.